Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your ghost in Fisch. Your ghost is a unique, transparent clone of your avatar that floats behind you as you play. It's not an active ability you trigger, but rather a passive benefit tied to a special fishing rod. This helpful companion automatically assists you in catching more fish, which is fantastic for leveling up and earning more in-game currency. Understanding its nature is the first step to maximizing its benefits. To get your ghost, you'll need to obtain the Rod of the Depths. This powerful fishing rod is an end-game item, costing a significant 750,000 coins. Before you can even purchase it, you must first gain access to and complete challenges within the Depths location. This involves completing your Vertigo Bestiary page and finding an exotic rarity Depths key. Once you have the rod, the ghost will appear. The ghost provides a substantial advantage to your fishing endeavors. For every 3 fish you successfully catch, your ghost will automatically catch an additional fish for you. This passive bonus directly translates into faster experience gain, helping you level up much more quickly. Furthermore, the extra fish caught by your ghost can be sold, allowing you to earn more in-game currency and progress faster in Fisch. To maximize your ghost's efficiency, always ensure the Rod of the Depths is equipped, as the ghost only appears with it. There's also a known glitch that allows players to transfer the ghost's passive ability to other fishing rods, potentially combining its bonus with other rod stats. Regardless, consistently catching fish is paramount, as the ghost's extra catch bonus triggers every 3 fish, making steady fishing your best strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.